slowly.
Oh, yeah. Fucker. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Oh, now I'm going to spew.
Well, today YouTube, Charlie has bought probably the most ridiculous thing I think he's ever bought. And that's something which is probably going to kill us all. It's not even a vehicle, it's a ride. We're going to be carnival folk today. So, even though we're still in lockdown, you're right, Corey.
Hello, guys.
I'm just telling them about Charlie buying something that's going to kill us all.
The death ball?
A death ball, yeah.
Apparently, according to Charlie,
all we need is a death wall.
Apparently, according to Charlie, I'm the first one to try the death ball. Apparently, I'm the candidate for it.
You would be, well, because if you're the tallest, so if you fit, we all fit. So you've unfortunately
If I
put
die,
that.
no one else have a go.
You blame your parents, man. It's good genes, unfortunately.
If I die, that's because I was meant to die.
Yeah. So Charlie's bought a death ball that we're going to Swadlincote, is that right? Around some Swadlincote area to pick it up.
Nearby the abandoned car dealership, isn't it? That's where we got the Land Rovers from.
Ah, yeah, we've been there before. We've got some Land Rovers. We won't go too much into the people's history because you don't care about that. You just want to see the death ball and Corey die on a death ball. We've already nearly killed you once.
Is this the final time you're going to kill me this time properly?
Yeah, any fans of Corey might be might cry with this. I'm doing an introduction, man.
Death ball, come on.
That's all the introduction you need. Like and subscribe to the video. Charlie's going to kill us all, and we'll see you later.
It's pretty terrifying as it goes.
It looks pretty terrifying.
Oh my god, yeah. If you take a lock off, I'm free.
Charlie, this is the maddest thing you ever
Taz got all the grease nipples and everything.
Oh, is this how you lock your
That's
feet
terrifying,
in?
that's how you lock your feet in.
So you're nice and secure. Probably the most dangerous
that,
thing
then
Charlie has ever bought. Definitely going to kill someone with this. Oh, good fun. Well, you release this, and he said you just spin that, and it just goes. This wheel. You spin it and hold on.
I can't see him. Let me get out of it before you like release
It
the lock
doesn't-
and kill me. Yeah.
Yeah. So you spin it as quick as you can, and then just let it go. Charlie, what do you reckon to your purchase then?
I think it's ridiculous.
I think we're all going to fucking die.
Possibly.
I think this is going to be the end of Red State.
It's bloody sunk in the floor.
They actually got flying bits.
Yeah, we're about to run a bit in a minute.
Oh yeah, that's it. Back at the farm. We've lost quite a bit. Just got back to the farm and realised Charlie probably nearly killed many cyclists with falling plastic. Because there's a lot more plastic on it than it is now. Anything else come off it? Corey?
No. I had to ask him down though, it's like a box or something, is it?
No, you hold on.
Oh no, pull that knob. No, slow it down. Sit down there. I'm slamming on slow. Oh, yeah. Fucker. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Oh, now I'm going to spew. Whoa! Woo! That's the best thing in the world. Yeah. Wow, there. Lock me up now. I'm done. You're done.
Yeah, that is nice. That. It's gonna explode. Oh, I think this is the best thing I've ever bought. It is. Oh, my head definitely feels like it's gonna explode. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Pay for 2 minutes. You want 2 minutes?
Of course it will. Of course it will. Don't say silly things like it won't fit, will fit. I mean, the door obviously goes up further than that, doesn't it? I think, yeah, pretty sure it goes up more.
That's your shillot, Gaz. That is small, isn't it?
Roughly, I reckon maybe.
I don't know like it'll fit from here, and it's not lower over there.
Ain't gonna fit.
That's not gonna fit.
Perfect.
Ridiculous. But it's in. Just about. Had to manually move the door up, but he just got it in. And there we have it. Anything's got to be more comfortable than that fucking thing. Fuck that seat.
Which one?
All it stands for.
Everything in here is for sale, isn't it?
Are you saying this is our merch?
This is the merch. Yeah.
The merch shed, we've got all your finest, we're out of stock on t-shirts, we've got engines, wheels,
compressors in here. Oh my god.
compressors.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man!
You're going to have to buy something before he kills himself.
Yeah, corpse of burns.
You're not on the ground, that's
Yeah,
why.
welcome to my life. It's like following you. I'm not staying down.
Go trail, man.
Let's give it to me, give it to me.
All this merch. Contact any of us and give us some money for some merch.
Just so we can
Charlie,
get in here,
yeah.
man.
Oh my god.
It's coming for you, man!
That'll be cheaper now.
Yeah, that's discount prices.
Oh, get it while it's hot. Oh, it was only going gently on the wheel. Just gently, remember?
Oh, I'm gonna get it.
That was not gentle, you can't. You don't notice it? No, that's fucking mental! Woo! Woo! Shit, me! You're a bit. That's brilliant. Yeah, it does, yeah. Woo! Like a hamster in a bowl.
not spinning, you're just going upside down.
No, that'll do. Stop that, Sid. Stop that. Stop that. That's not.
Does that work?
That's not. I'm gonna be sick. Stop. Stop. That was not good. That, when you're going like that, it's all you can see. No other motion, is there?
Is that the wallet?
Yeah. I'm gonna get you on that one, man. That's a bad one, that is. That's me that way, though. It's fucking brilliant, now. Right, get back in there. Get back in there.
Jesus Christ! Yeah, right, yeah, that's enough. Yeah, it's enough like that. You're not going fast enough, mate.
Weak spin.
My face is rising.
It doesn't look that safe.
This is a torture device, that is what it is.
Mate, you need to spin him first.
Oh, get the spin.
Oh, right, you just...
Hello, world. Are you okay? You need a gyroscope on this camera, Gaz. It's looking flying all over the place. Oh, I've got the face shots, man. I'm looking directly at it. Hello. Are you okay? Definitely not spinning this fast enough, is he?
Sorry?
So just talking to the world, man. You're not spinning it fast enough, man. Yeah, my face is moving now. It's probably spinning it fast enough now. It is. Yeah, I'd like to say this. Probably fast enough.
Are you guys fast enough now?
I think so. Yeah. I could be wrong, but I don't think it is. Yeah. It's pretty relaxing though.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, the speed's coming up again now, it is. Probably shouldn't be making these cracking noises, I wouldn't like to think. G-force face. You know why everyone thinks this is something terrible, or they go, oh, but hell, I'm all getting dizzy and such like.
Were you on past dizziness now?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you speak.
Oh, your speak. That first round, this did you. Oh, your speak. I'll tell you anything you want to know.
Singing choir songs.
Right, Gaz, you're up. Step right up.
Magic wheel of death.
Magic wheel of death.
Magic wheel of...
Are you ready?
I'll do. Oh, fucking, there's a crew, man. Yeah.
Come on.
£2 for 2 minutes. Who's first?
Go on, Jack.
Go on, Ed. Foot right
It
on.
ain't scary.
No.
Go on, Jack, get on.
I'll spin you slowly.
We're waiting for Jack to get on and see if it'll die or not.
Yeah, give it down, mate.
Looks like it makes you feel sick.
No, you can't miss that on it.
Man, the brake.
It's 3, how can 3 be scared?
If you're sick, you get your money back.
Yeah, that's alright. It ain't going anywhere, like, it ain't going to move or anything, it's going to stay in the same place.
This guy won't stop spinning it.
I'll spin it then.
He won't stop it.
Oh,
Go on.
one of your mates can spin it.
Go on, why don't you have a go?
I'll spin it for you, Charlie. Don't worry, mate. We've got 20 minutes.
Go on, get on it. Why don't you have a go?
Go on, bro. Go on, Brad.
I just had a
We
KFC.
just had a big KFC.
We're almost looking Warriors KFC then.
We need like a scoreboard, who's done the longest.
Do your quick spin, I'll stop straight away.
Oh, fucking percent. Stop it.
On.
I think you're in bed.
It is the most
Try
relaxing
it.
place in the world.
People pay to go on these.
Imagine you're an astronaut. It feels like you're an astronaut. You're just going through space.
Go on, Jack.
Can't feel anything.
Sorry, this gun. Wow.
Oh, you put it on top of the truck to get back. Think about the price of it. It gets cheaper the longer you can stay on the ride.
Oh. Yeah, can you start? Yeah. Is that right, Sid?
Free if you can last on there for 5 minutes. Go on,
5 minutes.
5 minutes and it's free.
It's free.
Drive home tonight.
It's free if you go there 5 minutes.
Feels like there's no escape.